Alright, YouTube, Country 300 here. Well, guys, I finally got it. My AR15. American ATI American Tactical imports. You see right there. American Tactical imports. Nice little AR-15. Lightweight. Just got through oiling it down and shit. Not bad for $400-something. It was what? Let's see. How much I paid for this shit? It was. Let's see. And all it was $468. Hadn't took it out and shot it yet. Got a couple of boxes of ammo with it. I'll try to take it out next weekend or the weekend after next. I've been seeing some reviews on YouTube on it. It's a pretty nice rifle, man. See nothing but good things about it. So it was the cheapest one they had down there. I didn't want to break the bank too bad. Like I said, the only time this thing probably ever gets shot is during deer season and shit, hunting season. All the other time it just sits up in my closet. It'll sit up in the closet. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and show y'all my new AR-15. Finally got one. Been talking about it for the longest, but I finally got one. Can't wait to take it out and shoot it. Clip out this motherfucker. Come with one clip, man. No sights. I gotta put some sights on it. Thank God I got a bunch of scopes. Got a lot of scopes over here, so scopes ain't no problem. I got scopes. Scopes I got. For my shit anyway. I got plenty of scopes. Scopes all out the ass. Scope. Let's see, that's one. That's a pretty good one. I might put this one on there. I might put that one on there. That's one of my scopes. Let's see. That's two. I got scopes out the ass, man. I got scopes everywhere. Shit. Oh, here they go. All the rest of them right here. All my rifle scopes. So I got plenty of scopes to put on. Ain't worry about no scopes. That scope. There goes some. One more in there. So, yeah. I got scopes to put on it. I ain't worried about it. But I'm still gonna put some front and back iron sights on it. But I'm gonna put that scope on it though. Put one of those scopes on it. And go from there. But that's it, y'all. Got my brand new ATI AR-15. I guess everybody's seen my Taurus 9mm. So I bought this out from Wade's down in Tuscaloosa. Oh man. Hold on, y'all. Got shit. Got this from the same place, Wade's in Tuscaloosa. Man, you got some good guns down there, man. Y'all go down there and get you one. It's a 9mm Taurus PT709. Can't go wrong with that. Get by that bitch. It just come with one clip. One 8-round, I think 7 or 8 rounds, one in the chamber. I done shot this one too several times already. So those are my two guns I got from Wade's Jewelry and Pawn, Gun and Pawn, or whatever you want to call it, in Tuscaloosa, y'all. Finally got my AR-15. Well, get back with y'all later. Let y'all see how it is. I'm out. Peace.